My name is Rodney Constable. I'm a former financial services professional, an investor, a trader, and a businessman. Hey, I wanted to pull myself up here for just a couple of seconds so I could say hi to everybody. Thank you so much for being on this webinar. I know you're really going to enjoy it, so stay with me, and I'll drop myself back out of the way here so you guys can see the slides. A little bit about my background here. I have decades of financial services experience starting in 1987. I'm a former vice president and regional sales manager for Oppenheimer Funds, the mutual fund company. I'm a former financial advisor, and I sold my practice in August of 2016. The securities licenses that I formerly held include the Series 6, 7, 63, and 66 licenses, and I was a fiduciary, so that's kind of a big buzzword going around, but I was a fiduciary. I also held the Life, Accident, and Health Insurance license, and I held the following industry designations. I was an accredited asset management specialist, an accredited investment fiduciary, a chartered mutual fund counselor, a chartered retirement planning counselor, and a chartered retirement plans specialist. So at the peak of my career, I had all 4 securities licenses. I had my life, accident, and health license, and those 5 industry designations. I use technical analysis as well as fundamental analysis in my work, and so I consider myself a techno-fundamentalist. I'm a stock and options trader, a mutual fund investor, an ETF trader and investor. I have personally traded millions of dollars of stock and options in my own accounts. I ran millions for my clients, and I sold over $1.5 billion of mutual funds when I was at Oppenheimer Funds, and that is billion with a B. I have worked with over 6,000 individual financial advisors throughout my career. So when I was at Oppenheimer Funds, the financial advisor was my client. So I spent every day, all day, going in and out of financial services offices, talking to the financial advisors about their practice, about the economy, about the stock market, and helping them to build portfolios. I have constructed hundreds of portfolios for those advisors' clients as well as my own clients. I've read hundreds of books on finance, economics, investing, and trading. I have had thousands of hours of finance and economics training. I have easily spent over 10,000 hours studying charts. I am a student of what's called intermarket analysis, which is where you're looking at stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies and how they all relate to each other. And I have most recently added real estate to that mix over the last few years. And I have spent the last 4 decades, ever since I was a teenager, studying wealth and success.